If you're sharing a computer at home and you're going to be toggling between multiple Google accounts, meaning, let's say, for example, you're logged into your personal Google account or your work Google account, but you also want your child to be able to use their own personal Google account on that device, there's a few ways that you can set that up. So here from the Google search page, you can see right now that I'm logged into my work account up here. And if I click on my picture there, you can see that indeed I'm logged into my Campbell account right now. So if I were to then go into my Google Drive, it's going to take me directly into my Campbell Google Drive because that is the account that is active in my browser right now. I can also see that up here in the bookmarks bar. If I hover over this, it'll pop up the name of whatever account is open. And I can also click on that to see that, yes, right now I'm logged into my Campbell account on this browser. From this screen, you can also come down to the bottom of the menu and click Add if you want to add other Google accounts. And that way you can then toggle between your Google accounts right there from that icon. Another way that you can set this up, that's maybe my favorite method, is as long as I'm working in the Chrome browser here, I'm going to come up to People at the top of my screen. And when I click on People, I can create multiple profiles. So up here you see that this is my work account still, and that's the account that I'm logged into, but I've also added additional profiles. And so the way you do that is you would click Add Person, and then you would log into that person's Google account. And now, from up here in the People window, if I were to select one of these other profiles, it's going to pop open a separate window, and this window has everything already synced to that account. So this is my personal Google account, and now all of my bookmarks are synced from that account. All of my Chrome extensions are synced from that account. And then I don't need to come down here and also log into Google Drive because it's already automatically logged in with my profile. And then now if I need to click back and forth between windows, I can do that. And I don't need to worry about my bookmarks from my personal account mixing in with bookmarks from my work account. And that's because I have these separate profiles created up here.